Well, this is my first P.O. box unboxing. This letter is from Bert Beats, and this is from Kim August. I'm going to show you the stamp. This is the stamp on Kim's letter. This is the stamp on Bert's Beats letter. I'm going to open up Bert's first. It's a cute card I got from Bert. He doesn't say whether he cares if I show it on camera, so I'll assume he's okay with it. He has really nice handwriting. My handwriting looks like a 3-year-old's. Thank you, Bert, for the sweet card. It's very nice. Thank you. I'm going to open up Kim's letter now. Look, he's hearing the letter opening the sound and acting like I got a treat or something. I think she must have put catnip in here the way the cats are acting. Okay, so far this card is funny, the way it looks. I thought I was joking about catnip being here, but the cat's crawling all over my lap. Midnight, could you scoot over, please? This is the card, it's funny. What, are you smelling other cats or something? Do you smell other cats on the card? Or is it that I'm giving attention to the cards and not you, my beloved? This is really cute. It's a cute little angel drawing. I paused the video to read Kim's card. It's a very nice card. Some of it I'm just not gonna show because she didn't want me to, but I'm gonna show the little drawing she did, the little emoji. She did the little laughing face emoji, and I think she did a good job on it. Yeah, I think she did a good job on the little laughing face. And there's just a cute little smile, a regular smiley face. Thank you for the letter, Kim. This card she sent me, she said she'd had it for years and hadn't had anybody to send it to. It's a very cute card. But yeah, she said she had it for years and didn't have anybody to send it to. Thank you, Kim, for choosing me to be the person to get this lovely card. I feel like getting it put on a t-shirt. It's so cute. I just want to hug him. You know, I don't know what animal he is. He looks kind of like a groundhog, but with talons. He also kind of looks like a lemming, gopher, a little bit of everything. I might just be dumb right now, but if you are watching this video and know what this little guy is, go ahead and comment what he is. But I know he's cute. He is very cute. Thank you, Kim and Bert, for the letters. This is the interior of the one Kim sent me. It's really sparkly. But thank you guys. I really do appreciate it. I love mail. It could just be junk mail, and I love mail. I like to even look through all the junk mail I get, like in my regular mailbox. The video with the cute little face. Look at this cute little face right here. Does he like mail too? Does he like mail like his mama? Boop, 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 boop. Does he like mail? He's so cute. Look at that cute little face. Do you want to eat this guy? He's a rodent of some sort. Not really. It's a mirror, Midnight. That's what you actually look like. This is a mirror. That's what you look like. He has your whiskers. He has your whiskers. Jelly Bean. This has your claws. He has your talons. See, your talons look just like his. Jelly Bean has his talons. Oh, don't bite it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Oh, that's a big yawn. I'm surprised you're the one not trying to eat it. Normally you like to chew up paper. Uh-oh, you slapping him? You're slapping him, Jelly Bean? Look at those pretty eyes. Let's see if we can hear these purrs. Look at those pretty eyes. Look at those eyes are so pretty. Oh my, that's a big yawn. That's a ferocious little panther. Okay, bye guys, and thank you for the letters again. He's cute. Look at his little fluffy chest.